right, oil pressure gauge setup. You're gonna start with the M14 by 1.5 to 6AN adapter. From there, you're gonna get a 12-inch 6AN female to 6AN female stainless steel braided line. From there, you're gonna get a 6AN male to 6AN female with a 1/4 inch inlet. From there, you will do a 6AN male to a M14 by 1.5 female, where you will fit your stock oil pressure sensor to avoid any, error messages on the dashboard or anything. And this is where your aftermarket one will hook up and eventually go to your gauge. I'll put it together and show you what it looks like. And make sure when you're doing this to use something like Permatex or some sort of thread sealant. Alrighty. Once you remove all this fun stuff, then you remove the oil pressure sensor. You use your adapter with a little bit of thread sealant. Torque it to 27 newtons with a torque wrench. I did it a little tighter, but whatever. And now you can start to connect your fittings. Put a little thread sealant on here before I go ahead and connect it up to my wire. There's a hole right here. Yours will just be bare metal. I opted to put a rubber grommet in, which will be this size, to prevent the wire from getting cut from the bare metal. So let's show you how to fish it through there and get it to the inside. Alright, I have a high-tech device here. Coat hanger extended out with electrical tape to the connection. We're going to fish it through the fender all the way to the driver's door. I would squeeze that grommet you used over the plug before you start shoving it in there to prevent it going in the body or anything. But we've officially put the coat hanger all the way through, so now we're gonna go find it on the other side.